We are a portable concrete mixer manufacturer, integrating research, development, production, and sales. We not only have advanced intelligent processing equipment, efficient and reliable processing technology, but also have more than 10 years of specialized production of portable concrete mixer technical team, can customize design and manufacture according to user requirements. Our product capacity from 46 liters to 500 liters. Annual production capacity of 200,000 sets. The products have obtained GS certification, CE certification, SAA certification, and RoHS certification. Stamping is formed once. The process improves production efficiency and ensures the accuracy of each workpiece. Laser cutting blanking. Bending forming. Welding robot. Independently researched and developed the mold and wrote the welding program, which effectively improved the welding efficiency and ensured the welding parts to be firm and beautiful. Surface treatment. Sandblasting. Spray paint. Compared with the traditional technology, the coating adhesion is provided by the sandblasting process. Strict production inspection standards and solid productivity of the enterprise, resulting in excellent quality products. Products sold in the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, Italy, Finland, Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Romania, Poland, Czech Republic, Greece, Chile, Brazil, Uruguay, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, and other 30 countries and regions. Based on the principle of honesty, mutual benefit, and common development, we sincerely invite people from all walks of life to negotiate business and seek common development.